Welcome to my channel everyone, I'm Key. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this lava granny square in slow motion. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out more crochet tutorials. In this video, I'm using 4mm hook and 8-ply yarn. Let's start the first round. Magic circle and make 8 single crochets in the magic circle. So we just made 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull the yarn tight. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. And chain 1. Round 2. Make a single crochet in the first stitch. Pull the yarn longer. Turn the hook and pull the yarn back. That's first double crochet. You can also use chain 3 instead and make another double crochet in the same stitch. So the pattern for this round is make 2 double crochets in the same stitch. One double crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Please repeat this pattern and finish your round. After you finish 16 double crochets, snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round and chain 1. Cut off the yarn. We are going to use red color for the next round. Round 3. Insert the hook to any stitch, pull the yarn through, chain 1. Make first treble crochet first. You can use chain 4 instead, or you can make 1 single crochet and chain 1, pull the yarn longer, turn the hook, pull the yarn through 2 loops. For first treble crochet, you can use chain 4 instead and crochet 3 double crochets in the same stitch, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, and now we make another treble crochet in the same stitch. So in the first stitch, we make 1 treble crochet, 3 double crochet, and another treble crochet in the same stitch. Chain 3. Following, we need to skip 3 stitches and repeat the pattern. Make 1 treble crochet from the 4th stitch. And 3 double crochets in the same stitch. 2, 3, and another 1 treble crochets in the same stitch. Chain 3. And just repeat that pattern. Skip 3 stitches and insert the hook to the 4th stitch. Make 1 treble crochet, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochets and 1 treble crochet, all in the same stitch. Chain 3. So please follow the pattern and finish the round and skip stitch to the first stitch to join the round, chain 1. Round 4, make 1 treble crochet from the first stitch first. You can crochet the first treble crochet like this, or you can do chain 4 instead. Make another treble crochet in the same stitch and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So all that was in 1 stitch. And make 3 double crochets for the following 3 stitches. We need to make 2 double crochets and 2 treble crochets in the last stitch. 2 double crochets and 2 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 2. So this is one set. We make 2 treble crochet, 2 double crochets in the first stitch, and 3 double crochets for the following 3 stitches, and last stitch we made 2 double crochets and 2 treble crochets, chain 2. Following, let's repeat the pattern. Make 2 treble crochets and 2 double crochets in the first stitch, 1 treble crochet, 2 treble crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. That's all in one stitch. And make 3 double crochets for the following 3 stitches. Make 2 double crochets and 2 treble crochets in the next stitch. Chain 2. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round and chain 1. Round 5 is very easy. So there's 11 stitches. You make 11 double crochets. So 1 double crochet in each stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and chain 7. Please repeat the pattern 11 double crochets and chain 7 to finish the round. After last chain 7, snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round and chain 1. Round 6. 1 half finished treble crochet in the first stitch. You can also use chain 4 instead. On overhook ones, make unfinished double crochet to the next stitch and another unfinished double crochet to the next stitch. Now you have 4 loops on the hook and pull the yarn through all the loops at the same time. Yarn over hook once, make half finished double crochet in the next stitch, another unfinished double crochet to the next stitch, and 1 unfinished treble crochet to the next stitch. Pull the yarn through 4 loops at the same time. Chain 3. Yarn over hook twice, make a unfinished treble crochet in the same stitch to the last unfinished treble crochet. Yarn over hook once, make unfinished double crochet in the next stitch and make another 1 unfinished double crochet in the next stitch and pull the yarn through all the loops. Make 1 unfinished double crochet in the next stitch, another 1 unfinished double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 unfinished treble crochet to the next stitch. And pull the yarn through 4 loops at the same time. Chain 13. Now let's repeat the pattern. Make 1 unfinished treble crochet to the first stitch, unfinished double crochet to the next stitch, unfinished double crochet to the next stitch, pull the yarn through 4 loops at the same time, 1 unfinished double crochet, another 1 unfinished double crochet, 1 unfinished treble crochet, Pull the yarn through 4 loops at the same time, chain 3. 1 unfinished treble crochet in the same stitch to the last unfinished treble crochet, 1 unfinished double crochet, 1 unfinished double crochet, pull the yarn through all the loops, unfinished double crochet, unfinished double crochet, unfinished treble crochet, and pull the yarn through all the loops at the same time, chain 13. Please repeat the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1 and now you can cut off the yarn. For the last round, I'm using cream color. Insert the hook to the middle of the heart, chain 3 space. Make 2 double crochet first. You can use chain 3 instead first double crochet, or you can crochet like I do. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, hide the ends, 1 treble crochet, chain 2 after that, and another 1 treble crochet, 2 double crochets. So in this chain 3 space, we just made 2 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 2 chain 2 and 1 treble crochet, 2 double crochets. Following, we are going to make 2 half double crochets in the next 2 stitches. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, in this chain 13 space, crochet 2 half double crochets, and crochet 1 half double crochet in both chain 13 and chain 7. Yarn over hook twice, crochet a treble crochet in chain 2 space here. Yarn over hook 4 times, crochet in the skipped middle stitch. Insert the hook to the middle stitch, pull the yarn through, and pull the yarn through 2 loops 5 times, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over hook twice again, make a treble crochet back to chain 2 space where last treble crochet is. And make a 1 half double crochet in both chain 13 and chain 7. Make 2 half double crochet in chain 13 space. Crochet 2 half double crochet for the following 2 stitches. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet. That's one set. Let's repeat the pattern one more time. In this chain 3 space, crochet 2 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, chain 2, another 1 treble crochet, 2 double crochets, crochet 2 half double crochets in the following 2 stitches. 2 half finished double crochet in chain 3 space, 1 half double crochet in both chain 13 and chain 7, 1 treble crochet in chain 2 space, yarn over hook 4 times, crochet in the skipped middle stitch, insert the hook to the middle stitch, pull the yarn through 2 loops 5 times, 1 treble crochet back to chain 2 space, one half double crochet in both chain 13 and chain 7, 2 half double crochet in chain 13 space, and 2 half double crochet after that in following 2 stitches. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round and cut off the yarn. This is how to crochet this beautiful love heart granny square. What project were you turning this into? Let me know, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.